currently living in Canada with open work permit. I have almost 4 years of experience in PHP, and I'm basically a full stack developer. I have both front end and back end experience. Additionally, I also have experience in working in Python. I have been searching for jobs for the last 2-3 months in Canada with open work permit, and I haven't been getting any calls for interviews or anything. What approach should I take to get calls based on my experience and my skills? And the second question is, do I have to upskill in any way? Because recently I have started learning AWS. So with my PHP, Python, and I have strong background in, experience in MySQL also as a backend developer. So with all this, what approach should I take?
See,
No.
what jobs are you applying for?
I am applying for a full stack, mostly React, Node.js,
Okay.
and also PHP full stack.
See,
Yeah.
technologies like PHP,
Mm.
MySQL, CodeIgniter, Laravel,
Yeah.
all these are not corporate careers. The role which is very suitable for that is a web developer role, but web developer
Mm.
roles are not corporate careers. They are more into e-commerce side or into startup or into small freelancing careers. None of
Okay.
the corporates use PHP or MySQL or Laravel or CodeIgniter. There are good number of ReactJS jobs in Canada, but post AI era, the number
Mm.
of openings for either the React developer, which is more of a front end, or a React full stack developer, have come down. But if you have 5+ years of ReactJS full stack experience, you will definitely be a wanted person in the industry.